welcome back to the MindCatcher's channel. I am going to be using, what palette are we going to use today? Guys, I was going through my Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and I know y'all might be tired of this palette, but it's some gorgeous shades in this palette. Very beautiful shades in this palette. You have shades that you can use everyday work shades. You can use like weekend shades, daytime, nighttime, bridal. You can do a lot with this palette, and in my opinion this is my favorite Urban Decay palette to date. So we're going to use it again, and I'm just going to do something very simple that we can all do. I'm quite sure we can. Yes, we can. So I'm going to start off with Covergirl's lid lockup. I think I only used this once before, so let's give it a try. This is a primer for your eyelids. I have very oily lids. Shadow does not stay on my lids, so I must wear a primer every time. So if you're like me, make sure you have on an eye primer. Alright guys, instead of using my NYX jar with my concealer, I guess I'm going to use a little bit. I just found this in my stash. This is the shade Almond from LA Girl concealer. So I'm going to use that to put all over my eyelids. Now I do this so that if I use any neutral shades, you'll be able to see all of those beautiful browns and oranges and stuff against my brown skin. And also it just makes everything look nice and neat. Okay, whenever you put on a cream, you must set it with a powder. So now that I pressed that into my skin, I'm going to use the shade Riff. And I'm just going to put that all over the lids. The next shade I'm going to use in the palette is a deep shade called Punk. And this is a matte shade. So I'm going to work that into my crease. And because I have hooded eyes, I have to kind of create a crease. So I'm going to go a little bit above my natural crease. I have a little line on my eye, and that's my natural crease. So I'm going a little bit above that. And that's just so you guys can see eyeshadow. If I don't go above that, you won't see it when I open my eyes. I'm going to use a little bit of glitter glue so I can get like maximum shine out of this eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the Shadow Double Life. I'm going to show it to you in just a second. But I'm going to carve out my lid space here. And for this I'm using a detailer brush by Real Techniques. I'm going to be using this shade called Double Life. It's so pretty. To me, it looks like a beautiful copper penny. So I'm going to be using that. It's a beautiful coppery tone. I think I'm going to turn my lighting down at the end so you guys can really see. I'm not sure if you can see how pretty that tone is. It's very pretty. I'm going back into the shade Punk a little and just making sure both shades are blended there in the center. Alright guys, I'm going to go into the shade Jet, and that's it's not a solid black, and I thought it was when I reviewed this palette. I did come back and let you guys know it has like a little bit of what they call it, a flecks of purpley something going through it. So it's not a solid black, but I think it's gonna do for today. So we're just gonna put that in the outer corner to deepen things up. And guys, I'm just going to go right over the top of those shadows with Riff again. That's the one that I started out with. Right over them. Right across the top. I'm trying my best not to transfer that black over here. We'll be very careful. All right, guys, if there's another color in this palette that's a little bit lighter than Double Life, but it has like the same reddish, coppery undertone. I'm gonna see what that looks like right there on the center of my eye. Here it is here. And it's called Ignite. Just using my finger. I feel like it adds a little something. All right, I'm going to use a little bit of Tarte's Man Eater eyeliner. Let's see if it goes over these shades. Okay, so far so good. Let's see the other side here. All right, friends, I'm going to put a little bit of L'Oreal's Lash Paradise on the top lashes, and then I'm going to add a lash. All right, guys, so these are my eyes with the lashes. Like it, like it, like it. I did have to go over my eyeliner a little bit, and that's why I like these lashes. These are the LA Colors Dramata Lash 976 Diva. I just used my Makeup Forever Aqua XL liner. I loved it. So we're gonna move on to the face, and I'm gonna kind of speed this part up because it's the exact same face routine I've been doing in the last few videos. So I'm really loving this stuff. Let's go. right, friends, we're back at our eyes for the moment. I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Aqua XL pencil liner for my waterline. It's waterproof, smudge proof. Really love these. So I'm just using a little piece of tissue so that I won't mess up my makeup. On my lower lash line, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. This is in the shade Overdrive. And I'm going to put a pretty green right over this, but I wanted to put a base down first. Actually, what I'm going to do is go in my inner corner with the shade Big Sky. I think that'll be pretty. I might just leave the pencil alone. So let's see what that looks like. I'll go in the inner corner with Big Sky. Beautiful shade. So I'm going to use some of the primer from Covergirl for my bottom lashes. And these really pull the lashes out so you can see them. And then you go back over them with either a Covergirl mascara, or I'm using Tartiest Mascara. Alright guys, I'm going to be using a little bit of Maui Nights. I kind of use this as a bronzer slash blush. Alright guys, for my lips, I'm going to be using the ColourPop Lip Pencil in Tulips. So let's line our lips with that. And for my lipstick today, I'm going to be using from CoverGirl. This is number 455 Infamous. We're going to just spray our setting spray. This is Urban Decay's Chill. And I'll be right back with my completed look. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and this is your completed look. And I turned my lighting down as much as I could so you guys can really see that pretty copper tone up there on the top lid. It's so pretty in person or in natural daylight. Alright guys, so if you're looking for a palette that will take you from day to night, to special occasion, to night out with the girls, weddings, bar mitzvahs, all of that stuff, this is the palette. It has become one of my favorites from Urban Decay, if not my favorite. I really feel like this is now my favorite palette from Urban Decay. I haven't got my hands on the Naked Cherry yet, so we will see. But I love the versatility of this palette. Naked Cherry looks like it's going to be kind of monotone, you know. But I'm really loving this. So you guys let me know what you think. And this is also my natural hair. Just wanted you guys to know. Just a very soft twist out on my natural hair. Because someone made the comment that they'd like to see my natural hair in more makeup tutorials. So here it is. Alright, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Cyber kisses. Bye. Alright guys, so we're just going to try our best at vlogging today. I'm always snapping. I'm always Instagramming, like Insta stories and stuff like that. But I never actually get my camera and do a vlog style video. So that's what we're doing today. So if you guys like this, let me know. Also guys, we are trying to do a vlog channel and we don't know what to name it. So give us some ideas on what we should name the vlog channel. You guys named my children's channel. Yay! Years ago, I asked my subscribers, what should I name the children's channel? You guys said Little Mind Catchers. And actually that works out. So with the school and the hair and everything. So maybe you guys will have luck with the vlog channel name. So bounce some ideas off of us. We really need to know.